Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that might just be the health boost you've been looking for: eating raw garlic on an empty stomach. I'm your host, and let's unpack the health secrets together. But before we do, don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Now, why raw garlic on an empty stomach? It's not just a culinary choice. It's a health powerhouse. Garlic is loaded with nutrients that can benefit your body in numerous ways, from improving digestion to giving your immune system a serious boost. The benefits of eating raw garlic. First up, let's talk about when to eat it. The golden tip is to consume raw garlic in the morning for maximum benefits. Yes, I know the taste can be a bit intense initially, but fear not. Start with a small clove and gradually increase. Your palate will adjust, and in no time, you'll be reaping the rewards with improved digestion and a robust immune system. Now, who wouldn't want that? 2. Nutritional value of raw garlic. Crushing or chopping garlic might seem like an extra step, but trust me, it's worth it. The tip here is to enhance its health benefits. Yet we get it. The odor. That's where the pro tip comes in. Combine it with parsley in your meals. Not only does it mask the garlic breath, but it also adds a fresh twist to your dishes. Practical and tasty, right? 3. Impact on empty stomach. Now let's address the potential stomach irritation. Eating garlic on an empty stomach can maximize absorption, but some might find it a bit harsh. Here's the deal. Monitor your body's response and, if needed, have a light snack afterward. It's a simple action that ensures you get all the benefits without any tummy troubles. 4. Detoxification and immune boost. Raw garlic is your body's natural detoxifier. Sounds amazing, right? But we get it. Making it a daily habit can be challenging. The pro tip here is to create a morning routine. Integrate raw garlic into it. And trust me, the initial challenge will turn into a powerful daily habit, leading to improved immunity and overall well-being. 5. Potential risks and allergies. Before you jump on the garlic train, a word of caution. If you have garlic allergies, be cautious. Allergic reactions can range from mild to severe. The action here is clear. Consult a healthcare professional before incorporating raw garlic. It's a simple step that ensures a safe and beneficial experience, preventing any potential allergic reactions. Conclusion. As we wrap up, let's recap the key points. Raw garlic is a health powerhouse, but moderation is key. Don't overdo it. And now, if you found this information valuable, give us a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a health boost. Thanks for joining us on this health journey. Remember, a small garlic clove today can lead to a healthier you tomorrow. Until next time, stay healthy.